In this tutorial we'll be looking at the if function. You'll notice that we've expanded this table a little bit with adding extra columns in for some letter grades. We're going to be doing a little bit with that later. What we want to do now is in this column here. Let's get back to our column. What we want to do here is indicate whether the student is going to be promoted into the next course or have to repeat the one that they've just done. Now, the condition that's been set for this is that the student has to score more than 40 in their total mark, or get more than a UG. So we're going to use an if statement for that. So we press equals because it's going to be a formula, and we type in if. Now, what's our condition or our logical test? Well, our condition is this mark here, the student's total mark, less than 40? Okay, so if it is less than 40, what do we want to happen? Well, we want an indication that that student is going to repeat. So if it's true, if L6 and student's mark is less than 40, then repeat will appear in the cell. If, however, the student has got 40 or more, then we want promoted to appear in the cell. Now you notice we do this in inverted commas, and the reason we do it is because these are actual words, not numbers or variables. So we want this actual word to be put in place. If it was a number or some sort of calculation, then we put the calculation there instead. Okay, so let's press enter, and as we would expect, this student has been promoted. Let's copy that formula down, and we look at all of these outcomes, and everyone's promoted except for this student. Why? Because, let's look at our condition again. Our condition was that L10, that's the student's final mark, is less than 40. In this case, it is less than 40, so it's true. So our first option is put in the cell. If it's not true, in other words, if it's 40 or more, then the second option is put in the cell, and that happens for any if statement. That's the outcome in an if statement. If the condition is true, the first outcome appears. If the condition is not true, the second outcome appears.